YouTube. Got an Airsoft unboxing for you. I got this from evike. Ordered it on Monday. Got it today, Wednesday. Got the 3-day shipping. Came earlier. And I'm preparing for a game and I need a couple things. So yeah, let's get to this unboxing. I'm not gonna do this crap where you just see like one side. No, here's the inside. Alright, so come on, look at that. Checking sure everything is here. So what I have here, G36 magwell conversion kit. Take M4 mags because I have a ton of M4 mags. This is a GoPro headband. I got it in pink. And I am filming this on a GoPro. I don't know what I got here. Oh! Just gonna leave it there. Spare USP mag. My USP. It is heavy. And it costs $40. Yeah. Not the cheapest thing, guys. I got this rail kit from Matrix. It's a 10-inch free float. Barrel. Yeah. And then warranty. And I got 2nd generation striker mask. Covers the ears. Super lock. It's supposed to take shape. I'm just guessing this is there. And then I got, it looks a bit, TSD tactical. Try shopping. Three-round bursts. It's on sale for $48 and normally runs for $60. So yeah, this is it. There will be an unboxing, well, a re-unboxing of this and a review. Alright, so